Hey, what's up guys? Smartphone Insider here, and today I have for you a big box good. This is the Apple Watch Series 3 Sport Loop by Apple in 40mm. I've got three colors here. I've got seashell, sand, okay, I'm gonna cheat. This is sand, pink sand, and this one is black. So we've got black, pink sand, and seashell, which is this beautiful gray sort of white color. So we've got all three colors here today. Each cost $50, and we're gonna see how they look on the Apple Watch Series 3 40mm. Let's take a look. So I've got my Apple Watch Series 3 40mm. It's cellular, ceramic back, and we're gonna see how it looks with our sport band. So let's go ahead and unbox the first one here. Got this pull tab here, and we'll just pull it off like so. And I believe, let's see here. Should be some way to just flip it out here, but there it is. Okay. Okay, we've got some paperwork on this side. And we've got some instructions here. And there she is. So let's go ahead and take her out of the box. There's another pull tab here. And voila. So it's sort of this mix between nylon and Velcro. It's very stretchy. Not stretchy to the point like a rubber band, but if you work out and your wrist swells up a little bit, which it will, this should adjust accordingly. So it's sort of, as you can see, it's twisty, very twisty here. And this, what color is this again? This is seashell. So this seashell color is very pretty. I admire it very much. Let's go ahead and see how it looks on the space gray Apple Watch Series 3 42mm, excuse me, with ceramic back here. So we'll place that off to the side for a second, and we will take off our band. So this is the band that it comes with. This is the rubber sport band, and it's getting a little bit thick in the tooth here. It's just not very stylish anymore. So it's worn nicely. It aged nicely, but you know, I kind of want to change up the style a little bit. It's a bit of an older model Apple Watch, but that's okay. We can give it we can rejuvenate it a little bit and you know, make it look a little bit more modern with this sport band. So let's see here. I'm a little bit confused as to how this actually goes on, to be honest with you. Let's see here. So this looks like, this is strange. Alrighty. I think I see. Alrighty. So let's see here. So it'll go like that. So this one's a little bit complicated, but I think it slides in just like this. Okay. And then this side slides in just like so. And then you can pull it like this and tie it down. So there we have seashell on the space gray Apple Watch Series 3 42 millimeter with LTE. And I like the way this looks, to be honest with you. Let's see here. So, you know what? I actually made the mistake of getting the 40 millimeter. I should have gotten the 42 millimeter, but it actually still fits. So, I have small wrists anyways, but for future reference, get the, so it actually matches. It actually goes well with the sweater I'm wearing. And the dial, it's a white dial there. I have the chronograph face on, and it's comfortable. It's really comfortable, actually. I'm enjoying this so far. It looks pretty good, but maybe a little bit too feminine for me. So let's check out the space gray. I want to call it space gray, but it's black. So let's go ahead and check that one out. So let's take off this band here. It's a little bit tight, I will have to say. So I should have gotten the 42 millimeter, but I kind of got confused between, I thought this watch only went up to 40 millimeters, but anyways, it's a long story. I got it confused. So make sure to buy the 42 millimeter, not the 40 millimeter. But anyways, you can see how it looks this way, and it looks sharp. I actually dig this quite a bit, but let's go ahead and, yeah, as you can see, the lugs aren't in there properly, but just to see how it looks, we'll continue on with the review. So, all right, let's go ahead and take them off. And if you were wondering, yes, the 40 millimeter straps work with the 42 millimeter face. So there's that one. All right, let's get on to the black one now. 40 millimeter again. And did I also get 40 millimeters? Yes, I did get 40 millimeters. Shit. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so anyways, let's go ahead and continue with this unboxing. So we'll take that one off. And this should just pop out like so. There we go. There's that. And we've got some documentation again. There it is in black. Let's go ahead and take this guy out. And there it is in black. And as you can see, it has some, there are some different colors in there, like red I see blue, there's some green, there's a little bit of little specks of yellow. The red stands out the most, but very pretty. I like this bracelet a lot. I'm excited to see what it looks like. Oh, there we go. There's a more pronounced look at the outside. Okay, so there's black, and we've got space gray, so this should be a really nice color combination here. So, go ahead and do exactly what we did with the seashell colored one, and go ahead and slide her in there. And it clicks right in. Velcro is already getting in the way a little bit. Okay, there we go. Wow, the space gray, definitely the way to go. If you've got a space gray Apple Watch Series 3 42 millimeter, first thing is first, do not get the 40 millimeter strap. But anyways, the way to go is with the black sport loop. This is really sharp. I like this a lot. So it does still fit. I have big hands but small wrists. So It's not my fault that I bought a 40 millimeter loop. It's just that I have big hands. But wow, that looks sharp actually. Yeah, that looks really good. So there it is. A little bit nicer than the gray. The black doesn't match the gray as well as the seashell band, but yeah, there it is. It looks a little bit, yeah, it definitely looks out of place with the 42 millimeter lugs, but that's okay, it still works. And now you can see what this color strap looks like with the space gray model. So there it is. It looks pretty sharp. Got the chronograph function there. Got small wrists, big hands, which is why it was difficult to get it on in the first place. But I really like this Velcro mechanism. It's really comfortable, and I can adjust it to precisely the width that I want it to, as compared to the Sport Band, which has a pin mechanism, I guess you would call it. So you sort of have to go, you know, by the holes, by the amount of holes that there are. And you know, it's either too loose or too tight. It's not tight to the point where it's uncomfortable, but you get what I'm saying. It's either too loose or too tight. It's never perfect. This is perfect. All right, let's check out the pink band now. Also in 40 millimeters, but that's okay. We're gonna see what it looks like anyways. You know, I went out and bought these bands today, and I really wanted to review them. That was the whole point of buying them, was to review them, not to keep them. But we're gonna go ahead and look at them, and you know, you guys can see for yourself what they look like. You know, there's nothing wrong with the Series 3 42 millimeter or 40 millimeter for that matter. Come on. There's nothing wrong with buying them. There are some great open box deals at Best Buy. Of the Apple Watch Series 3. And they're in excellent condition. So, we've got the pink sand color here, right? Pink sand? Yes, 40 millimeter pink sand. Okay, there we go. So we've got the instructions there, and which we kind of just wung it, if that's a word. So we'll pull that off, and we'll just like that. And we'll see what the pink looks like for you ladies out there if you're watching this channel. So we've got pink now, and I like the pink also. I think it looks sharp. There it is in pink. Let's go ahead and take off the black band. Oh, it is really comfortable. I'm gonna have to get the 42 millimeter band when I return these later. I can't keep them because they don't fit, but we're gonna review them and see what they look like anyways. So, put the black one off to the side there. Oh, let me bring back in the silver one, the sand colored one, to give you guys a perspective. So there's that. All right, let's see what the pink looks like on there. I completely disregard instructions whenever I can, if you were wondering. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. No? Now I've completely forgotten how to do it. That's on wrong. Okay. Come on. There we go. Finally, geez. I did that before and it wasn't going on. Anyways, okay. So now this side to complete the circle. There we go. And there it is in pink. Actually, I dig this too. That's pretty cool looking. As you can see, you've got some of the red and yellow and blue and green specks in there, just like on the black band. That's what she looks like. Let's go ahead and give you a good chronograph shot. All right, let's put it on the wrist. I will have to say it is my least favorite color so far. And I'm probably leaning more towards the black color. So, oh man, I really love these bands though. They are super comfortable. They are really comfortable and you can get them on exactly how you want them. So, and of course, if I want to wear it a little bit loose, but then go work out later and it expands and I don't have to worry about it because of this material. It's like a nylon mixed with Velcro, like I said. Very, very nice material, very comfortable, very warm. It's not pulling at my skin or anything. It's not scratchy, it's not itchy. It's very comfortable and it looks good. I like the pink. It actually looks great with this sweater here, but maybe just a little bit too feminine for me. I think I'm leaning more towards the black band. And I will have to obviously put this guy in second place. And our pink sand colored sport band, sport loop. This is a sport loop, not a sport band. I will have to put it, big hand problems again. I will have to put it in third. All right, everybody, so there you have it. We have black sand and pink sand Apple Sport Loops in 40 millimeters. This is what they look like on the Space Gray Apple Watch 42 millimeter Series 3 with LTE. My name is John. The Apple Watch Sport Loop 40 millimeter is a big box good. You're watching Smartphone Insider.